Are you looking for the best car window cleaner? I have compiled a list of top 5 best car window cleaners this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Invisible Glass Cleaner. Invisible Glass wins our pick for the best car window cleaner overall because it's the most product that you can get for the price, and that removes a number of contaminants without leaving a single streak. This automotive glass cleaner comes in a 32-ounce spray bottle. They call it a mirror-like finish for nothing. When you clean a mirror, you want to be able to see a crystal clear image, so that's why we chose invisible glass. You won't have to worry about hazing, streaks, or residue. Invisible glass even works on chrome surfaces to shine up your bling. The formula is ammonia-free, so it's safe to use on tinted windows. The spray bottle packaging means you won't have to worry about the compressed air within, as you would with an aerosol can. However, you might find the spray bottle, at over 30 ounces of product, becomes heavy over time. You also aren't able to adjust the spray pattern, unfortunately. At the same time, invisible glass makes it easy for any driver to clean their windows with ease. Number 2. Chemical Guys Signature Series Glass Cleaner. Chemical Guys is a reliable company that never fails to deliver high-quality products. This time, it offers a highly efficient glass cleaner that can be used on car windows, mirrors, computers, phones, and more. With such a wide application, it's one of the most versatile cleaners on the market. You can use it on your vehicles as well as around the household. What makes this product stand apart from others is a unique streak-free formula. The liquid sprays and spreads on the surface with ease, removing dirt, dust, debris, bugs, and other types of residue without leaving streaks. The formula is also non-toxic and ammonia-free, which makes it safe to use on all kinds of surfaces. You can even use it on tinted windows. Additionally, the cleaner leaves a fresh smell that lingers. There are a few things to keep in mind with this cleaner though. First of all, it might leave some streaks on the exterior if not wiped off carefully. It might require some extra elbow grease. Secondly, some users noticed that the nozzle tends to loosen up after a while. Number 3. Stoner Invisible Glass Wipes. The Stoner wipes are ideal for those who are looking for a quick cleaning solution that can be used on the road. They come in a convenient container you can take with you and keep within hand's reach for emergencies. For such versatility and portability, they are also very well priced. These wipes efficiently clean glass surfaces, removing bird droppings, bug splatters, dirt, grime, and more. They don't leave any streaks or residue themselves and allow for hassle-free use. You'll be able to easily wipe away annoying residue from both inside and outside windows. Additionally, the wipes are ammonia-free. They are safe for tinted windows and don't leave any odors. All in all, these wipes make cleaning glass surfaces super easy. Still, it's important to keep in mind that these wipes are designed for quick cleanups. Therefore, they are not the best solution for removing stubborn stains and piles of dirt. Also, you might need to use a microfiber towel to wipe the surface after the first cleanup. This way, you can avoid possible residue that the wipes might leave on the surface. Number 4. Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. What list of top-quality glass cleaners would be complete without a product from Windex? Windex is probably the largest and most well-known manufacturer of reliable glass cleaners in the world, and the Windex Glass and Window Cleaner is perfect for use on automobile glass. It starts working right away to deliver a top-notch streak-free cleaning. This glass cleaner is also an excellent choice for use on multiple surfaces, such as mirrors, sealed granite and marble, stainless steel, UV-protected windows, glass stovetops and shower doors, bathroom surfaces and fixtures, plastic, tile, vinyl, aluminum, and more. With a bottle that's made from 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic, it's also an environmentally friendly option. Be sure to use a lint-free cloth or dry paper towel to get a streak-free finish. Other materials may leave streaky residue behind. Number 5. Adams Glass Cleaner. Adams Glass Cleaner is an efficient product you can use on both inside and outside car windows. It comes from a reliable company that never fails to deliver high-quality products. With a powerful formula, this cleaner proves to be one of the top products within the category. The cleaner has a concentrated formula that is safe to use on tinted and non-tinted windows. It applies in a breeze and leaves a protective coating on the surface. The product is eco-friendly, doesn't contain ammonia, and ensures enhanced visibility. It's ideal for removing dirt, dust, debris, water, and other substances. Additionally, it has a fresh smell that lingers. The main drawback of the product is the tendency to leave some residue. The glass might be foggy if not wiped carefully. There's another possible issue with the product. Some buyers didn't receive the bottle with the sprayer nozzle. Having to use the sprayer from another bottle is quite inconvenient.